Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube and Facebook family. Hope so all of you are doing well. Today our lecture is about human brain. इसमें से काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चन पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी और डिफरेंट जो जॉब के एग्जाम्स हैं उनमें से पूछे जाते हैं। तो आज इसको डिटेल वाइज डिस्कस करते हैं ताकि जो कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं इसमें से उनको हम डील कर सकें। Human brain is divided into cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Each responses for distinct cognitive, motor, and autonomic functions. Part है वो है cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of brain, making up about 80 to 85% of its mass, and is divided into left and right hemisphere connected by the corpus callosum, which allows communication between the two sides. Each hemisphere specializes in different functions. The left hemisphere is primarily responsible for language, grammar, and analytical tasks, while the right hemisphere handles visuospatial, grammar, and analytical tasks, while the right hemisphere handle visual, spatial skills, creativity, and spatial awareness. The cerebrum contains four major lobes. Frontal lobe involved in reasoning, planning, problem solving, voluntary movement, and speech production. Parietal lobe processes sensory information such as touch, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe responsible for hearing, memory, and language comprehension. Occipital lobe dedicated to visual processing. The cerebral cortex processes information while the underlying white matter facilitates communication between brain regions. The cerebrum also houses the limbic system, which regulates emotions, memory, and motivation. अब डिस्कस करते हैं cerebellum को. The cerebellum located beneath the cerebrum at the back of the brain. Back of the brain पे कौन सा part है? Cerebellum is crucial for coordination, balance, and posture. It monitors and fine tunes voluntary movement, ensures smooth execution, and also involved in motor learning and attention. Despite being only about 10% of the brain weight, it contains more neurons than the rest of the brain. Combined damage to the cerebellum can result in ataxia, which affect movement precision and balance. ब्रेन स्टेम जो थर्ड पार्ट है वो ब्रेन स्टेम है. ब्रेन स्टेम connect brain to spinal cord and consist of midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. It regulates automatic functions essential for survival, including breathing, heart rate, digestion, sleep cycles, and reflexes like coughing, sneezing. The brainstem also acts as a relay station, transmitting signals between the cerebrum and cerebellum and spinal cord. एडिशनल जो स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं उसमें हाइपोथैलेमस है, कंट्रोल्स होम्योस्टेसिस, हंगर, थ्रस्ट एंड हार्मोन रेगुलेशन. ये हार्मोन रेगुलेशन वाला क्वेश्चन अक्सर बनता है. ये किसके कंट्रोल में? हाइपोथैलेमस के. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड regulates endocrine functions. Pineal gland involved in circadian rhythms. In circadian rhythms is a natural roughly 24-hour cycle in physiological process of living organisms including humans, animals, plants, and even some bacteria. In human, it governs the sleep-wake cycle, hormone secretion, body temperature, digestion, and other vital functions. इसमें जो है डिटेल वाइज इनके फंक्शंस दिए गए हैं. फ्रंटल लोब के, टेम्पोरल लोब के, पैरिटल लोब के, ऑक्सीपिटल लोब के, सेरिबेलम के, ब्रेन स्टेम. आप इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट लेके इसको रिवाइज कर सकते हैं आसानी से. आज के लिए इतना ही. होप सो आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. इस तरह के मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरे फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें और मेरी यूट्यूब वीडियोस को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.